Guys, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. I hope everyone going great. Today we are going to talk about Ghostdrive, which is also endorsed by the Tone chain. And for it, you have to just go in the app. It is also in the description as well. You have to open it, and it is a Ghostdrive. It defines itself. It is a cloud, so it has same features as Google Drive, but in this you can also use your points as Google Drive space. You can also mine them, you can also purchase them, you can mine just like a tap game, and you can also earn by using completing tasks, and also you doing referrals. And these basic tasks are such as like follow, download, and they have also launched their application as well. You can also go into Play Store or App Store to download it, and as you download it, it will be also useful for you, and you can see all the features. You can also do these convert the mind points, and for the application login you will require Telegram, Google, or any kind, these four. Okay, so it is very easy. Just use it, and when you upload the files you will get the points. So upload random files, just get the points, and mine the airdrop in as the airdrop, get the points in money. So have a good day, see you around, bye bye.